Update to this video about the new gate my husband built not fitting. It's a pretty good update. He did a good job. The gate now fits. Looks good. Added another post right here and made a little doggy door. So the dog quits going through the gate and breaking it. And the chickens keep getting up onto our back patio and pooping. So he did this today where it's like a metal pipe and a PVC to where anytime they land on it, it spins to where they can't perch. And then they should hopefully stop going on the patio. But got it almost ready for dirt once it warms up. Doggy door, center blocks for the walkway, fence. I mean, he did a good job. Redemption.